Hello guys, today I want to show you how to add bindings to UXML documents with Unity UI Toolkit. For that purposes I've created such document like here, yeah. It basically display on our scene. If we run the game, yeah, you see it just displayed default data, and for instance we want to change this data 12 days and we want to display like different label, depends on config. For that purposes we create like scriptable object, we'll call it bindings. Here our bindings, yeah, and we should add our label. I will call it end date. To display something in Unity UI Toolkit like a binding, you should add just create like property, simple C# property, and also mark it with create property attribute. No, maybe. Okay, compile. Open our UXML, and we need to find this label. Yeah, here we have root, and yeah, this one. To add some bindings, you need to click with right mouse button, add bindings. Here it wants like scriptable object, like our data source, but we haven't created one. So create scriptable object bindings. Yeah, it basically work like that. Scriptable object bindings. Here when we created like binding scriptable object, we have our path for create, and we create like one bindings. In Unity UI Toolkit it's possible to set like global global data source for all your XML documents. Like here, yeah, we have root, and here we just set up our bindings, and then here again right mouse button, we should choose like certain field which we want to bind. Here I just want to make binding to text, label text, and here I click with right mouse button and choose add bindings. So we have by default our bindings, and we choose our property and bindings, save the file, run the game. We forget write to something, but I think it will work. 5 days, yes, it works. So here we have our bindings. For example, we want like set some values from config to this progress bar. First of all, let's to check this progress bar, and here we want to like change this value. Yeah, find this value, and we see if you don't know what kind of type you need to create in a code for binding, just with right mouse button click add binding, and it display you like value is in a float type. Here we back to code and write similar thing. Progress, create property, public float progress, compile, add binding, choose progress and binding, save, run the game, and here we have our progress. Yeah, work perfectly. And for instance, last example, you want like enable or disable all this button for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe you want to do that. How to do that with the bindings? Find this button in UI Toolkit, and here to display it we have such a field. Yeah, enabled, disabled, enabled, disabled. Okay, we choose add binding, look at it, and this field has type, style, enum, display style. Okay, move back to our code. If I can get style enum, display style. Style display style some toggle, button toggle. Public, we also create a property, tweet, okay, compile, and here add bindings, choose like our button toggle, add binding, save document, run the game. But unfortunately we can't do that because like style enum display style isn't serializable. Maybe we could do something like that. Display style way. Oh, not. Nope. I forget to save. Compiles. Here we could use like none. Yeah, you see it working even in editor. Just for checking. Yeah. That's all about bindings in Unity UI Toolkit. Bye guys.